Welcome to the Butler Library Resources. To go to the library webpage, from Butler's homepage, hover over Students and click on Libraries and Archives. To access many of these resources, you will need to use your Pipeline username and password. On the library website, scroll down to the gold bars. These will lead you to our library resources. The Catalog box links you to print books and ebooks. Use the first link to access the main catalog. When you type in a topic up here, you'll get a list of results. Check the location to see where a book is located or whether it's an ebook, and if it's available to be checked out. If you need to pick up the book at a different campus than where it's currently located, simply let a librarian know and we'll have it delivered to where you need it most. If you click on Articles and Databases, that will help you find scholarly journals, magazines, and newspapers. EBSCO and ProQuest are our largest two and cover many topics. Both are examples of a general database that covers many topics with hundreds of journals and magazines. Statista and Sage Stats provide statistical data for your paper. Issues and Controversies and Opposing Viewpoints help you pick a topic and get started on that research. For national and international articles and news stories, look at Newspaper Source Plus. If you click on the Videos bar, Films on Demand offers an abundance of videos from respected publishers. It also offers transcripts so that you can pull quotes and get a hard copy for your sources. Canopy also offers movies and documentaries. Ebooks work the same way as print books, except that they're online and can be accessed from anywhere. Our collection largely includes encyclopedias and dictionaries that contain background information for your topic. EBSCO and ProQuest both offer an ebook collection that we have access to as well. The Citations bar will link you to guides on MLA and APA, and it will also link you to Noodle Tools. Noodle Tools allows you to create and store citations for your assignments. You'll need to create an account, which you can do from this link here. The Noodle Tools Quick Guide is a PDF guide that you can print out that will help you set up your account and learn to use the program. Finally, Research Guides collect several resources that you can use in your classes. They're categorized by subject name and can provide ideal topics and places to begin searching for your papers. If you're struggling with your research or just need a little bit of extra help, it's only a click or a phone call away. You can email, call, text, or live chat with a librarian for expert advice on getting the best information. They'll even help you find sources to start or complete your assignment.